Hey friends, if you wish to update the security key for your Wi-Fi network in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, a lot of users do it through the router login page or what do we say, by entering the DNS on the system, and maybe they find the password or not. But I'll give you an easier method. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter, and then right click on the active network connection, select status, click on Wi-Fi properties, go to security. We have the network key here. You can also click on show characters to check it, and then you can change it to something else like 11223344, whatever you want to, and then click on OK, and the Wi-Fi key has changed and I'm disconnected from the network. So I'll click on this, I'll select this one, I'll click on this. If I will right click and forget the network. Okay, and then I will click on it once again and I will enter the new key. Okay, click on next. This is the easiest method. Don't go through that DNS method and go get into the router page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.